How to view credit balance on Temu online shopping app. Wondering how to check your credit balance on Temu? Let me show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Hi there and welcome to One Stop Solution. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to easily view your credit balance on the Temu app. Let's get started. First, open up the Temu app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap the U button at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to your profile page. Right below your name on your profile page, you will see the credit balance section. Tap on it to proceed. And there you go. This is where you can see your current credit balance on Temu. And that's it. You have successfully viewed your credit balance on Temu. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.